Winter doesn't have to mean the end of fresh produce. If you're wondering what to grow during the colder months, here are 10 crops that thrive in winter conditions and are easy to farm. Plus, we've got a couple of fun facts to keep things interesting. First up is spinach. This plant loves the cold and even tastes better when grown in cooler temperatures. It's fast growing and you can harvest the leaves regularly for salads or cooking. Fun fact, spinach is so nutritious that it's known as the powerhouse of leafy greens. And yes, it may have gotten a boost from Popeye. Kale is another cold hardy crop. In fact, its leaves become sweeter after a frost. It's packed with nutrients and can be grown throughout the winter with minimal care. Fun fact, kale has been around since ancient times and was a staple food for the Romans and Greeks. Carrots. Carrots are one of the best root vegetables for winter. Sow them in the late summer or early fall, and by winter, you'll have a full harvest ready to be eaten. Fun fact, carrots were originally purple, red, and yellow in color. The orange variety that we know today was actually cultivated by the Dutch. Number 4, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are tough plants that can handle freezing temperatures. You can even leave them in the ground until you need them, and the frost improves their flavor. Fun fact, Brussels sprouts are actually named after Brussels, the capital of Belgium, where they were first cultivated. Number 5, beets. Beets are another root crop that thrive in cold weather. Both the roots and the greens are edible, making it a 2-for-1 crop for winter gardening. Fun fact, in the past, beet juice was actually used as a natural dye for clothing and even as a lipstick. That's crazy. Number 6, garlic. Garlic is planted during fall and overwinters in the soil, ready for harvest the next summer. It's a great crop to plant before winter really sets in and requires very little maintenance. Fun fact, do you know that garlic was actually used as a medicine in ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome? It has been a superfood for thousands of years. Number 7, leeks. Leeks are one of the hardiest crops you can grow. They can survive freezing temperatures, and their mild onion-like flavor is perfect for winter soups and stews. Fun fact, the leek is the natural symbol of Wales and has been worn by soldiers in battle for centuries. Number 8, cabbage. Cabbage is another cold-tolerant vegetable. It takes a bit of time to mature, but once it does, it can survive the frost and give you a hearty harvest all winter long. Fun fact, the largest cabbage ever grown weighed over 138 pounds. That's heavier than most humans. Number 9, parsnips. Parsnips are perfect for cold climates. Just like carrots, they sweeten after a frost, and you can leave them in the ground until you're ready to harvest. Fun fact, parsnips were used as a sweetener before sugar became widespread in Europe. Who knew vegetables could be so sweet? Finally, winter lettuce varieties like Winter Density can provide you with fresh greens throughout the season. With some protection like a cold frame, you'll always have salad-ready leaves ready to go. Fun fact, lettuce was first cultivated by the ancient Egyptians. It was so prized it was considered a sacred plant. These 10 crops will not only survive, but thrive during the winter, ensuring that you can keep growing even when the temperature drops. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which winter crops you're excited to try. This is Garden X. Happy farming!